today with Mr. Ruffier-Lange at the Time Out Market in Montreal, located in the beautiful Eaton Center. Mr. Ruffier-Lange, you're managing the whole space here, which is a food hall, and I know that there is a difference between a food court and a food hall, and I'm wondering, what is that particular difference?
A food court is typically created with fast food chains. As a food hall, we usually create it with local artisans restaurants. At Time Out Market, we are a creation of the best chefs of the city.
And here my understanding is that you have as much as 16 small restaurants that are open daily. So of course it's a lot of meals. I'm guessing hundreds, even thousands of meals daily. So how big is the operation here?
At Time Out Market Montreal, we have a seating capacity of 550, but we still need to renew a lot of times during the day these tables because of the large volume that we do every day.
So if the Time Out Market in Montreal generating so much meals on a daily basis, of course it's going to generate a lot of residues. Here in Montreal, what does it represent, the amount of residues, the food residues that you are generating daily?
We generate an average of 500 kilos of food residues every day.
So that's half a ton every day.
Exactly, yes.
And to manage all these residues here at the Time Out Market, you did something different, something unique, I would say. You have installed a robot that's called a Solucycle Robot that is behind the scene actually. What is the biggest advantage of using a robot to deal with all these residues on a daily basis?
Well, there are definitely some cost savings. First, in terms of labor, we save a lot of time because if we will have to transport all the garbage to the wastage area in the building, we will have to go to a freight elevator situated at the loading dock, which will take us at least 15 minutes on one way. So that's a saving of times. Secondly, we obviously don't have to buy any garbage bags, so we are saving on the supplies. And the main point for us that it's also part of a green choice, which is by far the most important for us, to be part of the community by protecting the environment.
And with up to half a ton of food residues that you are generating here through that robot, how often do you collect that matter, that the residues here in the tank that I know that is behind here? So how often do you collect?
We have a collection every other week. So actually the tank is monitored directly to Solucycle. So they receive a signal when it's time to do the collection. So it all depends on the volume we do, but if, for example, we need to have a collection earlier than that was scheduled, they will still receive a signal, which is great.
Finally, Mr. Ruffier-Lange, since there is many other managers confronted, let's say, with the same challenges in large commercial kitchens or perhaps even food halls, would you recommend this type of technology that automate the food waste management like here at the Time Out Market?
I think it was a great decision for us because of all the savings we have. And so, in terms of labor, as I said, supplies, etc. And also because it's part of our sustainability program. And as a Time Out Market, this is very important for us to be part of the community, to respect the environment. And Solucycle does exactly what we want to do for that. So for me, it's great.